ni Mikaela. So, example, Mikaela, this bill is to buy your or to your. Ayan, for Shopee, for Lazada, for your TikTok, for your tuition fee, for your transpo, mga ganun po. But, ito po ang pinakamalupit na gagawin ng bills natin. Pagtawag ko po ng pangalan, kailangan niyo pong sumayaw sa tune ng ating DJ. Bawal ang KJ. Sabi nga po ni Ma'am Mikaela, enjoy ang gawing ito. So now, ready for the first beat! Palakpakan naman tayo dyan. So sexy. Wow! So sexy. Bigyan naman ng palakpakan. Again, for Maricel.
This bill, you can buy, Kyla, pwedeng savings mo or pwedeng pang dagdag sa ticket ng iyong N-Hypen.
Ay, ang taray. So, mamaya natin ibibigay yung bill sa kabilang side po kayo. And then now, next in line. Igil. Ay, ang cute. Lower! Ay, huwag masyadong lower yung slit natin. Okay, so come on, ma'am. Irene, this bill is to buy. Forward lang po tayo, ma'am. Forward lang po. Lapit lang po, lapit lang po.
Pwede mo itong pang shopping ka, pang bili ng bag, gano'n.
Oh, mamaya po ibibigay yung bill. So come on, ready tayo for the group picture po. Mamaya pa po. Tingin tayo sa camera. Hey! One more! Ang ganda mo, Ben. Yes.
Sorry, Gen Z ako.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Kyla. Happy birthday. This bill, pangbili ng iPhone 17 Pro.
Wow!
Joke. Pwede siyang, Celine, Zara, Uniqlo, whatever. Yeah. Happy birthday, love. Ay, mamaya na.
Yes. Ma'am, picture po. Ayan. Si Mikaela. Okay, so next is Miss Ann. Come on! Oh! Talaga naman. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Mikaela, and happy birthday. This bill, you can buy your new shoes or clogs. Thank you.
Oh, maraming bills dyan. Picture taking po. Thank you so much po. Ayan. Miss Angela Pimentel. And then now for the next bill is... Ay, asa... Thank you.
So, Kyla, happy birthday! Etong bills na to, kaya mong makapag-book ng hotel with your friends. Ayan, so something that you can do. Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you po. Again, Miss Rizal Bailosi. And then now, moving on, Miss Lovi Milama. Naman tayo dyan again for Miss Madjo Dayag. Girl, you know you did a little bit and I'm a your girl. Taray naman.
Hello, Kai. Cheers to adulthood. And this bill, you can buy this for a lot of chicken fillet just to satisfy your simple cravings with your friends. Happy day,
Taray. Share tayo ng chicken fillet. Thank you again, Miss Madjo Dayag. Ma-picture taking po.
Siguro extra na lang to. Kasi meron na siyang secret, kaya bahala ka na. Okay na.
Anything to buy. Okay, thank you po again, Ma'am Juliet. Wow. Okay, so now moving on, Miss Mary Rose. Ay, talaga naman. Ay, ito yung pinakamayaman natin.
Ay, grabe.
Ayan.
Ayun. Hi, good evening, Kai. Happy 18th birthday. You're officially young lady and alam mo na, legal ka na. So, may shot dyan mamaya. Ay, ang haba pala. Ano ba gagawin? Ay, so, ito, dahil blue bill ako, dapat kasi wish na lang ako, Mari. So, blue bill, siguro, makukontribute ko to sa'yo para sa airplane mo. I mean, sa airplane talaga. Airfare mo, kasi alam ko, In the future, pupunta ka doon kasi I have a surprise for you in the box. So you will see there later, okay? Ayun, happy birthday. I love you, anak.
Parang gusto kong i-reveal yung item na yan.
And
Thank you so
syempre,
much again, Ma'am Mary Rose. Ma'am, picture
Meron pa
taking.
pala. Happy
Yeah.
birthday to Jungwoo.
Oh.
Yes!
Okay, so next is Christine Montihor. Pakit lang. Yes, come on, Ma'am Carla.
First, happy birthday. Parang kailan lang hinahatid pa kita sa nursery days mo, di ba? And parang kailan lang nag-aaway-aaway pa tayo, magtita. Pero ngayon dalaga ka na, 18 ka na, and nakakatawa kasi yung paglaki mo, nasaksihan ko naman. At pasensya na sa boses ko, pausa ko. And wish ko lang sa'yo is, of course, stay healthy, stay introvert, and syempre, lagi kang magdasal kahit saan ka magpunta. Always ask for guidance and protection hanggang forever. And syempre, for your next journey na tatahakin mo, alam ko naman, wish ko lang is sana maging safe ka lagi at huwag kang makikisalamuha sa alam mong negatipong tao. Yun lang. And itong blue bill na to, ang ma-contribute nito sa'yo is to, para sa flight mo, syempre. Pocket money na rin.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much again, Mom Carla Mina. And then, kiss me. And then now, next bill is Raquel. Tura! Palakpakan naman po for Raquel. Oy! Let's dance! Thank you po, Ma'am Raquel.
Ayan na, happy birthday, Kai. So, itong bigay ko sa'yo, pambili mo ng house and lot. Joke lang. Pandagdag mo na, ipunin mo muna ngayon. So, ayan. God bless you.
Okay.
Tayo, Sophie.
Thank you again, Ma'am Raquel. Next bill is La Arnie Mina. A video. Yes, Ma'am Maylene.
Hello, hi. Happiest 18th birthday, Kyla. Alam mo bang itong bill na to?
Para mas maloob mo, Bea.
Oo. Tawa muna. Pambili mo to ng house and lot.
Ay, ang
ha?
taray.
Hindi. Kasi dahil business-minded ka, paluguin mo muna, di ba? Yun lang. Basta mag-iingat ka kahit saan ka man pumunta. Happy ako para sa'yo, Kai.
Wow, thank you again, Ma'am Maylene. Back. So now, maybe come on, Miss Reynalda Mina. Palakpakan naman tayo dyan for 5, 6. Okay na po. Siya yung maliit na Reynalda, di ba? Mini Reynalda.
Ay, Ate
May
Kayla,
proxy pala.
Happy birthday. Dalaga ka na.
Ayan, thank you so much po, Nanay Reynalda. Now, for our 18 of bills, maybe kang lang, Ma'am Merlina Umambag. Palakpak. May, ang daya, hindi sumayaw. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Kai. Happy birthday uli. Itong 18 blue bills na to, pang pocket money sa Thailand. Happy birthday! Tama na itong pocket money mo.
Taray, may 18,000 ka na, be. Okay, so bago tayo mag-group 16. Mary Rose, Juliet, then Brando, Lovie, then Angela, Amy, Irene, and Marizal. Now for our 18 bills. Ibibigay po yung ating bills habang sumasayaw po kayo, ha? Okay, so isang makaraan naman tayo. Okay, one more pa po. One more. 1, 2, 3. And then, peso bill sign. Okay, so red. Cambot. One more. And Bill for Mikaela habang sumasayaw. Come on, DJ, play mo na. Ready? Bigay po. And there you go. Once again, the 18 Bluebills. Bigyan naman ng palakpakan. One more pa. Come on. Okay, thank you so much, the Bills. Palakpakan naman po tayo dyan. Ayos, yung box na yan. And after yan, so ready tayo for the candle blowing and birthday song for Mikaela. Before the mealtime, the dinner time provided by the Passionate Palette Events and Catering Services headed by Ma'am Cecil C. Ay, ano ba yan? I-picture na yan! Ready? I-reveal. Ano ba meron niya? Wow, my God! Parang may ticket. Parang may... Ay, ano yan? Wow! Ma'am, picture natin, ma'am. Picture lang po. Ayan. Bigyan naman ng palakpakan. And then now, come on, guys. Tayo po tayong lahat for the birthday song and candle blowing. Once again. And here tayo, ma'am. Yan. Then, waiter, please. Pwede po bang pakibaba yung ating cake table? Waiter. Yes, yes. Ayan na lang. Picture lang po muna. Okay, tingin tayo sa camera, be. And ready to sing. In 1, 2, 3, then play the music. Come on. Mas malakas pa. Sabay-sabay. So now make it louder and faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mas malakas pa. Pinakamalakas. Todong malakas. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And malakas na hiyawan. One shout out, happy birthday, Kyla. 1, 2, 3, then shout. Palakpakan naman. Then, ma'am, mag-wish ka muna bago mo i-blow yung candle. And there you have it. So once again, let's give it a round of applause. A round of applause for Miss Mikaela. Welcome to Legality. And please remain standing. Meron na po tayong gagawin. And by Miss Cecil C. Tayo lang po ang lahat. At itaas po ang